Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas lights on your car in Southwest Florida. First, select high-quality, outdoor-rated LED lights, as they are more durable and consume less power than traditional incandescent bulbs. You will also need a reliable power inverter, typically a 300 to 500 watt model, to convert your car's 12-volt DC power to 120-volt AC for the lights. Gather strong, non-damaging attachment methods like suction cups or magnetic clips. Always test your entire setup at home first to ensure everything works perfectly and safely. Powering your lights safely is crucial. Connect your power inverter to your car's 12-volt accessory outlet, often found in the dashboard or console. For larger displays, you might need to connect directly to the car battery using alligator clips, ensuring proper polarity. Make sure the inverter's wattage comfortably handles the total power draw of your lights. For example, if your lights use 150 watts, a 300-watt inverter provides a good safety margin. Secure all wiring to prevent hazards and regularly check your battery to avoid unexpected power loss. Attaching your lights securely is key to a successful display. Heavy-duty suction cups are excellent for windows and smooth body panels, while magnetic clips work well on metal surfaces. For areas like the grille or roof rack, use UV-resistant zip ties. Distribute the lights evenly, ensuring they don't block your headlights, taillights, or turn signals. Double-check that all connections are tight and wires are tucked away, preventing them from flapping in the wind or getting caught, especially when driving at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Before hitting the road, always check Southwest Florida's local ordinances regarding vehicle lighting. Generally, avoid any red or blue lights that could mimic emergency vehicles, and ensure your display doesn't flash or strobe, which can distract other drivers. Your car's standard headlights, taillights, and turn signals must remain completely visible and functional. It's also wise to limit your display to static, warm white, or multicolored lights. Remember to remove your lights shortly after the holidays to protect your car's finish and preserve the lights for future seasons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.